Say something, I'm giving up on you. I think we need to check in here. Let's see. Is it this one? I'm gonna ask. Γεια σας. Συγγνώμη. Θα πάμε εδώ στο 30 στην κάμερα. Συγγνώμη. You ready?
I'm ready. So ready.
Yes. We are ready. Okay, so we are ready to have some cute, amazing fun. We are at the airport.
Now my mask is over my nose.
Yeah, it's kind of messy situation.
I'm so excited.
You're excited? You're ready for your...
This is gonna be but I didn't ask for them to print our first trip this year.
Yes, and many more to come.
Exactly.
We're so excited.
Oh my god.
Not so many people are traveling today, and it's sunny. To add to the points. Wait, do we know yet we are going to number 9? Number 9. So just make sure you have a look at number 9. Because unless I put on my glasses, you will get lost. So bad. And we are 12, we're 9, right? Oh, we still have an hour to go. 9, we have 9. Ora, definitely 9. Di 9, what is it? You see that? Oh, we have B8, so we have to go to that. Okay, so we need to go that way. Hot. I know, right? So there you go. Oh.
Yeah.
We went over there.
Finally. Did you get the money?
Yeah, this,
Awesome.
at least it's better that way.
We took so long at security.
Oh, we didn't. When did we?
No, there is someone who was like having a whole other thing to check. You know those idiots who carry this is enough to carry. They don't have to take.
I know. I'm always the odd one out.
Hold it. Just need to take off.
Yep, it's still filming. Hey, Winnie.
Love that.
Yeah. Oh. Fine. Oh, should we do it here? Oh my god, wait. Who's gonna do it? You do it. Just do this boomerang. The passport. Just come aside. Okay. So we kind of just show all of us together like this. Okay. And then we just take it. Are you gonna do it? Okay. Should we do it like this and then done, or this way, whichever way? But I just want a boomerang of three of us.
Minnie, come here.
So like that. Hey, yeah. Okay. Ready? One. Boomerang. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let me see.
Oh, you said good.
It's okay. Do we do another one?
Yeah, sure. You do it.
So how do we do this? Boomerang. So let's stand in a straight line.
Uh-huh. Should we show our legs? No.
And
1, 2.
1, 2, go.
Yes, perfect. Oh, perfect. I like that one.
May we have a safe flight?
May we?
Does?
Yes.
May we be okay and come back safe
In pieces?
in one piece?
In one piece.
In one piece.
Hallelujah. Amen.
And may we have fun.
Yeah. Very important. That's very important.
Yeah. What you said?
Fun and memories.
It's going to be crazy now.
It's gonna be lit.
Lit. That's all.
Yep. I didn't take anything.
I personally would not want to do Starbucks,
Starbucks,
because
yeah.
we find Starbucks in Athens.
Yeah. I think that way there is a.
Yeah, there's a cute coffee place here.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. See, Athens, there's the bicycle.
Human first.
Human. Now passing both of them at once. And then the freaking buses, like, or cars are coming to, like,
Yeah. Wow, this is like
yeah, it's gonna take a minute to learn how to drive here. Like, dude. We rent a car, but we don't know how to navigate the street.
There's no way.
But are they driving? They're driving the same side, right? As
Yeah,
us, right?
us. Yeah, thank God.
The only place where people stare at Greeks only. I don't know why.
Like
And
us.
they have like the Nigerian flag. I don't know. The basketball. There are more black people.
Oh, but do you know there is another guy? There's another Greek African guy who is a high jumper. What's that? The one that I sent you? No, leave the Tokumbo aside. This guy, he has fucking nice shoulders.
I've seen him up close.
Really?
Cute, yeah.
He has really nice, like, yeah, but nobody talks about him.
When you have money,
No, he works
pictures will
out.
come out, I'm telling you.
No, he's an athlete, so he has really good body. But nobody talks about him.
I don't know. You can talk to these PR people. So.
Yeah, like Greeks don't talk about him. The way they,
He's not in the NBA.
but
Because they are Tokumbos, they are brothers, there are 4 of them. So, like, if you're not talking about jihadis, you talk
but
about Allah, you
let's
talk
be
about-
realistic. Even at the Tokumbo, they
Coffee
just
shop there.
where?
Let's go see what's up. I need hot chocolate right now.
Wow.
No, don't.
No.
Please. We've done enough for today. They are very yellow-ish. They like yellow. A lot of
the
yellow.
taxis are really, really yellow.
Should we just go to him and be like, hey, how many credit cards do you have?
Who?
The guy looking at us.
Huh?
The guy looking at us.
Serenata, Centralia, whatever it's called. Here,
Oh, it smells curry.
is this a bar or a coffee shop?
It is a bar. Mizzy.
Cafe Bistro.
It looks like. Oh, Jesus. Static. It looks like it's for. Oh. Hi. Is there? Can we take coffee here or just food?
Yes. How many are you?
4.
Okay, that's salad.
This salon has which. Let me show you.
So do you have several options?
Okay.
Here or here.
Oh, we can sit there. That's it's better, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Ah.
Goodness gracious. Warm and roasted.
Toasted. I like it. It's nice.
You know what? The camera is looking at you. You see her?
You will
Can you see her?
yeah, I can see her. You will think things are not nice because they look like cool and everything, but they're actually cute.
Thank you.
What is that? They will be staring at us like, what do you want from here? No one even asks you like, what do you want? They're crazy.
I want hot chocolate.
I want that too. Where is it?
Ooh, should I get a matcha latte?
Where is it?
Matcha latte, beetroot latte, blah. No.
What do you want?
Hot chocolate.
Why do you like all chocolate? Ooh, should we have like all chocolate with like a... Girl, you're warm. Jesus.
I am, yeah.
My jacket is so warm.
I am not.
No, like that.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the chocolate?
You know, like the all chocolate that you can put like alcohol in there.
You're gonna put some stuff in there?
You can do that. Do you want to try that? Like all chocolate with like alcohol in there. Yeah.
How do you call that?
What's
I don't
the
know.
name? Like Fresca.
But we can probably personalize our orders. What do you
We're
think?
gonna do dinner tonight, aren't we?